So the old T-kit radio I built when I got my 2E0, or for my 2E0 electrics, receiving FT8 on 10 meters, connected to a resonant dipole in the garden. You can just about hear Morse code signal in the background there. Sounds good. It's quite selective. Quite nice to be able to tune across the whole band in just a fraction of a second. Hard to compare with the KX3 because the KX3's internal speaker is just not capable. So if I put the KX3 on an external speaker, I might be able to see how it compares. KX3 on headphones, of course, incredibly good, but certainly picking up this, or was picking up the FT8. If I can find a weak signal on the band, I can compare the two that way. But it's quite a nice sounding radio. Morse code signal in the background, if it comes back, quite easy, quite copyable. I'll have to maybe see if I can fix my Morse key, that needs minor repair, and see if it transmits. There it is.